Hey guys! We have seen some crazy upside action in the crypto markets over the last couple of days, pushing crypto past a milestone. The crypto market cap is now above $300 billion, which is crazy. Feels like just a couple months ago we were at $100 billion. Now we are past $300 billion and crypto continues to grow. So what I find interesting here is, out of the top 5 coins here, 3 are either Bitcoin or Bitcoin forks. We have Bitcoin at number 1, of course, at 161 billion. But then we have Bitcoin Cash, number 3, at almost 28 billion. But at number 5, Bitcoin Gold, $6 billion. This really surprises me because, they don't really have that much development behind them, and there was some scandal with them listing a scam wallet that stole a bunch of Bitcoin, and they now have a bigger market cap than Litecoin, Dash, Monero. It's just crazy. 3 of the top 5 are either Bitcoin or Bitcoin forks, and as you can see from all these green numbers, today is a great day in crypto. I mean, look at this. All the top 14 in the green with, we have a 37% up Cardano, 20% up EOS, IOTA 20% up. Just some crazy upside action we are seeing. I want to just go over some prices of coins, more popular coins. We have Litecoin here sitting at $90, which is nice to see. Hopefully Litecoin will break that $100 barrier soon. Dash at $630. Dash has really had some strength behind it lately. Ethereum Classic here. Ethereum Classic is at $24. Now this Ethereum Classic is really getting pumped up by those Koreans. They're loving themselves some Ethereum Classic. We have Monero at 163. EOS made a big move over the last day or two. It's now at $2.78. Zcash at 337. BitConnect still sitting around that $300 range. And Decred almost $60, sitting at $58.99. So there's just a crazy amount of strength right now in the markets. And even today, we still have strong crypto markets almost across the board, but in the top 14, they're all green. And in the top 20, the ones that are red are barely red, down less than a percent. So we still have great strength in the markets, but I want to dive into the Bitcoin chart because it is very extended here. Here we have Bitcoin on the 1 day, currently at $9,717, and after this bit of consolidation we had here, it's just been huge upside move to huge upside move to huge upside move. I mean, it really looks like Bitcoin is trying to reach the moon right now. But we have yet to break that $10,000 barrier, which is a huge psychological level. And I do think around this $10,000 level, we will see a lot of resistance and quite possibly a pullback. You can see right here, last time we had a pullback of more than a couple days. It was right after we almost hit the $8,000 level, where we hit pretty much 7,900, and from there it fell off. Now this was news driven too, but it never got above that $8,000 level, which was also a big psychological level. Those big round numbers, there's always action around them. So as we get closer and closer to this $10,000 level on the Bitcoin chart, I do think we will see some selling, and quite honestly, we need to see a pullback here. I mean, it's just, there's been huge upside, and we're way past this. What is this? The 20 MA I have right here. We are way above that. 20 MA sitting all the way down at, let's just call it 7,700, and we're all the way at 9,700, so $2,000 above the moving average. I don't know if we've ever been that far above it. This day, 6,200. Yeah, I mean, we're way past extended from this, and it's definitely looking like we need to see a pullback here on the Bitcoin charts. So what that does to the whole market, who knows, as we've seen some good strength in alts lately, but I definitely think it's time that Bitcoin has a little pullback, probably once we get a little closer to that $10,000 level. I don't know if that happens today, tomorrow, in the coming days, but it's definitely looking like that needs to happen. Yeah, I want to take a look at all of these other Bitcoins as well. So let's take a look at Bitcoin Gold. And Bitcoin Gold, I mean, we're consolidating right now. After this big up move we had, we're just sitting in some consolidation. So it does look like this Bitcoin Gold does want to go higher. Just looking at this wedge we're forming here, let me draw this out. It definitely looks like Bitcoin Gold wants to make a push higher. But I mean, it's number 5 on Marketcap. I mean, it's just insane. To me, Bitcoin Gold was just a thrown together project. You know, not a lot of development behind it. And really, I think the only reason it has so much traction is because they did switch the algorithm and you can mine it with GPUs, but that doesn't make it a good coin or, you know, a worthy coin of a $6 billion market cap. I definitely prefer Litecoin over Bitcoin Gold. I prefer Dash over Bitcoin Gold. I prefer Monero over Bitcoin Gold. But it's just, you know, it has good strength behind it right now, so it's going to trade where it wants to trade. But in the long term, I don't think we will stay up at these levels. But that being said, I do think we see a push higher here in the coming days, just because of the way this chart is setting up. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to go over in this video, guys. It's just amazing to me that 3 of the top 5 coins in CoinMarketCap are either Bitcoin or Bitcoin forks. And if you haven't seen my video I did yesterday, I did a video on the upcoming forks we have, and we have another 5-6 Bitcoin forks coming in the next month or two. If this trend holds true, where Bitcoin forks and these coins really hold their value, you could see the entire top 10 being Bitcoin or Bitcoin forks. I mean, I don't think the entire top 10. I do think Ethereum will stay up here, but who knows, for all these other coins in 6 through 10 range, they could all be replaced with Bitcoin forks, which would just be just crazy to think about. Bitcoin and Bitcoin forks in the top 10. I mean, dominating the top 10. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens with those. But as of now, I mean, if you fork Bitcoin, it looks like you're going to be in the top 10. There's just good strength behind them, as there is good strength behind the entire market, but people are really putting money behind these Bitcoin forks. So that's it for this video, guys. If you haven't entered the $100 BitConnect loan giveaway yet, I'll leave a link in the description of that. It is completely free to enter. Go check it out. But that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. And as always, stay living that crypto money life.